Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. This is my FTX HiRock and I've come to my my back garden track I built and I've come to test this. I haven't tested my HiRock on my track before, so this is news to me of how this is going to perform on my track. But you're going to find out at the same time as I find out of how well this will perform on my track. So let's see how well it will. Well, I've got it gets out there quite nicely. Oh, I say that. Let's just see if he can get up and save the back wheels. Yes, it can. Oh, it seems like he's not on the track. It's not. Right, the front wheels are on. Just get the back wheels on. Oh, got caught in a place I didn't see. There you go, back wheels are on. Just got past that post completely. And it has. At the moment I was just minding this mirror just here on the post. There you go. So far it's handling it very well, just like my Geo did. Yeah, nice and easy. Of course I'm running a different motor in this in comparison to my Geo. I'm running a 55 turn brush motor in this, and in my Geo I'm still running this standard 17 turn. So this one's got more torque in it than what the Geo has. Oh, caught in the mirror. Yeah, I did wonder if this one would be a bit difficult. Oh, can I save it? Yes, I can. Even though this has got more torque, it the Jetta's got more wheel speed. But to me, I prefer the more torque than speed for my crawlers. As you can see, it got up that rock quite easily. Well, the front did anyway. Oh, the front wheel's now falling off. See if I can save it. Yes, I can. Oh, no. I spoke too soon. Oh, there we go. It's on. Brilliant. And like with my Geo, instead of going straight off and off the finishing line, I'll go across here, and then across there, and then finish. And see how well this does it. Again, with the flex, I just love it. Oh, it looks like my front drive shaft has just come off. Hopefully it's just a grub screw what's come undone. So at the moment, so I've got to give it a helping hand. You see, there it is, just there. So we'll attach that once I finish with the video. So now let's cross the finish line in two-wheel drive. I'm going to end the video just there. And apart from right at the end where the drive shaft has fallen off, I'm very impressed of how this actually performed. I've not actually tried it, the Hyrock, on my track before. So that was the first time that I found out how well it actually performed. As I say, it performed very well, right up until the end where the front drive shaft has come off. So I've got to take a few pictures for my Instagram account, so please go check my Instagram account out for a few pictures of today's call, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.